wanted to make a quick video explaining how to save yourself some serious grief and trouble if you happen to be towing and you go uphill and you get the P0087 change your fuel filter low rail pressure code. If you can clear the code, awesome. That's the first thing that you want to do. And if you don't have a way to clear the code, I would try to let your vehicle cool, maybe disconnect the battery cable, something of that nature. Okay, once you get the code cleared, this is what's going to allow you to carry on. Put your transmission in manual. Okay, so you've got drive and then drop it down to M. And when you're towing, downshift. So when you're going down the freeway, I would try not to go over 65, 70 miles per hour. Stay in 5th gear. Don't go into 6th. Stay in 5th. What this does is it brings your RPMs up a little higher, not a ton, and it helps keep your boost levels down. If the higher your boost is, the more fuel you're going to be commanded to come in. So if you're struggling to get fuel for whatever reason, and I have another video to help diagnose that code, but if you're struggling to get fuel, then the best thing you can do in a Duramax diesel is to lower your boost. And to help lower your boost, you want to raise your RPM, and so that while you're climbing, you have a higher RPM, but your boost doesn't have to be as high. That happened to me, and I had the code come up 4 or 5 times on a trip. I changed my filter. That didn't do it, my fuel filter, and so I was able to put it in manual, keep the boost down by doing so. And so anytime I'd approach a hill, I would manually downshift into 4th. I didn't go up any hills that required me to go down to 3rd, but I imagine if you went up something steep enough, that would be required. And then that will help you get by. That'll save you from having to feel like you have to call a tow truck or limp somewhere going 45 miles per hour. Anyways, hopefully this video is helpful.